Hi everyone, Steve Harris here at Without Code. I'm excited today to teach you all about Flex. Flex enables designers to create fluid layouts that adjust by breakpoint, giving you complete control over the look of your site no matter which device it's viewed on. Flex also enables you to design freeform, drag and drop elements anywhere you'd like and achieve your design vision without compromise. This powerful functionality introduces a brand new editing style and layout. So this training series will walk you through all the key elements to set you up for success. I hope you're as excited to learn Flex as I am to teach you. Here's a quick look at what's included in this video series. First, I'll show you how to enable a Flex section and access the new editor. We'll take a tour through the new Flex editor and discuss what everything does. I'll show you the key difference between containers and Flex boxes and when to use each one. And lastly, we'll check out a couple of pre-made sections and discuss how they work. I'm confident by the end of this short training series, you'll be well on your way to building fully responsive sites that look great on any device. With that said, let's get started learning Flex.